Hi everyone, I wanted to explain something that I noticed a few of you had problems with. We're going to go back and make sure that you have all of your assignments done. Starting this Sunday, anything that is not finished, you're going to have zeros in your grade book, and then from there on you'll get late work, taken points off for late work. One thing that a lot of you had a problem with is an assignment in Module 4. It's the characterization assignment. So we're going to go back and look at that. Here in Module 4, if you click on, it's this one here, Characterization Worksheet. So I'm looking at it from the student view, so you can see where it is that you need to click. You may have already turned one in, and that's fine. You can resubmit this if you have a 0 on your grades. I left a note in there for you. There's a word here, Characterization Worksheet. It says you can download this. So click on that. When you give it a few minutes, this pops up. This is the chart you were supposed to fill out. The first one's done for you, an example from the text of an action, and then what can be inferred from that. You're going to give your own example here. When you go to look at this, when you look at it in its own page, you can minimize the preview. Let me go back and show you how to download. So on this page, when you open it in a new link, you have this character doc up here that you can click on. It'll come up as a download so you can open the file. Just enable the editing. You have the chart here for you. Now it's on your computer and you just type in there all of your responses. The actions, what can be inferred, appearance, conflicts, response. So you're going to complete this and then just save it on your own computer, wherever you'd like to do that. And then when you go back to turn this in, I'm going to get back to the assignment. Or to turn it in again, you're just going to choose a file and then go find that file that you saved and upload it. This way this will be done correctly, and you can go back and look at that. And it's still open, you can submit it again. So I'm hoping that everyone does that. One other thing, go back and look at all of your grades. Anything that doesn't have a grade there, you have until Sunday night to resubmit it. If it doesn't have a grade, it means I left you a comment on how to correct it. So the last thing I wanted to talk about, next week, we're starting our novel of Mice and Men. You will all have access digitally to a free copy of it on the Canvas class. But if you want the book in your hand, I just wanted you to see it, of Mice and Men by John Steinbeck, and we will be reading that for the last 3 weeks. So super excited for you. We're going to get through this together. If you have any questions, please let me know. You're all doing a great job.